Today I'll show you how I made a table light using icicle ornaments from Dollar Tree. For this project I used 1/8 pack and 1/6 pack of icicle ornaments and a snow globe that I purchased at Dollar Tree, and I attached them using Fix-All adhesive and Gorilla Hot Glue. I started with my 6-pack of ornaments since they were the longest, and then I filled in the gaps with my shorter ornaments. I attached my ornaments to my snow globe above the threading so that I could replace my cap at the end of my project. Since hot glue dries cloudy, I'll use the smallest amount of glue possible to attach my ornaments. To reinforce my icicles and to hide the cloudiness of the Gorilla Hot Glue, I attached gems that I purchased at Hobby Lobby to my icicles using Fix-All adhesive and Gorilla Hot Glue. Next, I placed my light into my cap and I screwed it on, and I was done. If you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next DIY.